Okay, so today we're going to work on finding equations from a table. So in this table, notice the y values are not changing by the same thing every time. That rules out linear. So this means we must be exponential. Exponential is in the form y equals a times b to the x. So your a value, unless they tell you there's some type of shift, which they don't, your a value is always corresponds to when x is equal to 0. So we're going to have y equals 6 times something to the x. Now, the b value is our successive ratio, and you get that by doing y2 divided by y1. So what that means is take any y value and divide it by the one before it. So let's say we took the 6, divide it by the one before it, which is 18. That reduces to 1/3, so our b value is just 1/3. If you want to check your answer, put that in a graphs page, do a control T, see if your table matches. Now, be strategic when you do y2 divided by y1. Pick something that's easy. Like, you probably wouldn't want to pick 2/3 divided by 2. That's harder with a fraction. Pick something that's whole numbers to make life easier. Oh, and this is on page 14 to 16. I can't remember if I mentioned that. And we're going to be doing today 3 and 4 we'll do together, and then 5 and 10 will be yours to do on your own. So number 4, again, notice it's not changing by the same thing. This is going up 4, then that's going up 2. So this must be exponential. So we have y equals a times b to the x. Our a value corresponds to when x is 0. So we have -2. Our successive ratio, we do y2 divided by y1, and that gives us the b value. So say we take that -2, divide it by the one before it, -4. That'll give us a half. So I'll put a half in here. And again, put this in a graphs page, do a control T, check and see if the table matches. If it does, then you know you're good. So that's the process you're going to do for questions 5 and 10 that are in the section page 14 to 16.